The number one reason why I am proud to work at Zapier has to do with empathy over ego. Like any company, we are not perfect, but what inspires me is that our pace of progress is remarkable, and the people doing the work are open to feedback, and they really want to build together.
I felt welcomed and seen joining Zapier. Some of the very specific ways that may seem small, but were very significant to me, given my background, were things such as having the opportunity to take off time on my country's holidays. Just having the opportunity to take that time off to celebrate with my family, friends, those special celebrations for my country meant a lot.
I love the people, I love the culture, I love the growth that I have access to. I think my favorite thing at Zapier is just the team that I get to sit on. It is just full of brilliant and kind people, and every time that I get to talk to someone or work with someone on a project, I come away having learned from them of how I can do my job better, but also just as a deeper connection as a human, and I know that that's not common everywhere, and so I'm just so grateful that I get to experience that at Zapier every day.
I'm a farmer, I live on a farm, so being able to take a 15-minute break to go water the asparagus or, do some farm chores is always really important to me, and being able to have that work-life balance pretty much all day, every day is really great.
Most of my career I've been in learning and development, so focused on helping people grow, invest in their careers. When I found Zapier, I was excited about the idea of offering strong learning programs to people all over the world, connecting people regardless of their country, their language, their experience day to day, helping people really learn from each other genuinely in this lovely international community. And it's been really fulfilling the past 4 years to support that.
The people, building for our customers that love what we're doing. We're hearing stories about how we're not only changing businesses, but impacting lives, and that makes it meaningful to wake up and work at Zapier.
My favorite part about Zapier is being able to work with such a dynamic and intelligent team. Really getting to come to work and be pushed to bring my best self is something that I really value.